So far, my experience with this program, with what you have achieved here today, has been overall beneficial for my business. It's allowed me to put my brand in front of people that are going to be possible business leads, as well as make significant sales here. It's been a great opportunity.
So speaking of significant sales, let's talk about the lady that's standing to your right and talk about that sale.
So the lady standing to my right is Lori Wagner. She came down for a leather making class to Fayetteville, North Carolina, traveled all the way from the DC area to come see me. And in the process, she fell in love with this stump that she's seen in my yard that many other people would ignore. And she said, "That's mine." And then we went ahead and we made this miraculous table out of rare hardwoods that it's hard to find within the United States anymore. The American chestnut tree is nearly extinct, and now she's got a piece of it in her house.
Would you like to add to that?
Yes, as a matter of fact, Kurt is an amazing friend and a phenomenal business owner with the woodworking. And when I went down to his shop for the leather making workshop, again, I seen the stump and I said, this has got to be my table. And so the work that he's done is absolutely phenomenal. And I am just, delighted to have this piece of work in my home.
So you're here at Veterans Grove, Virginia pop-up shop. Tell me about your experience here so far.
The experience here has been phenomenal. I don't have a table here, but I just came out to support the local veterans and my friends from MIC. Mm-hmm. And I've met some new friends here, so it's just been absolutely phenomenal and just amazing. And I'm looking forward to what 2020 is going to bring as far as my old friends and my new friends that I met that are veterans. Absolutely.
So would you get a table at our next event?
Oh, absolutely. Most definitely.
How about you, Kurt?
I'm going to be back, for sure.
So you're going to be back. And so did you make any sales while you were here today?
I want to say that we're close to 600 in gross sales today, and I got one table that's directly behind you that we're trying to get rid of before the end of today. Normally $750, but we're letting it go for $500 today.
This is crazy. So you came to this event to support other veterans, you connected with other veterans, and you're making money.
And I'm making money. There's a bonus there. I'm making money while connecting with people that I care about.
So I got a question for you about your experience behind the scenes and everything that was going on. Tell us about that.
So at first, when I got notified of this pop-up event, there was relatively no traction. I didn't see much on social media. And within weeks, I had seen how you developed an in-depth strategy on marketing and advertising to the local community. I seen how a group of people, a lot of the vendors here, were collaborating in how to grow this event. And I think that's directly why this event was such a success, is because of the support that you got from each one of these vendors here. I think that they're the ones that helped propel this to such success. You have done an amazing job, man.
Well, it wasn't me. It's all of us working together, and I think that's the combination that works together when we, as veterans, team up.
Synergism.
You know what? That's a word now. Synergism. Is that a real word?
That's a real word. And in medical world, it's like when you give two different types of medication, they can have a synergistic effect that makes them stronger together than by themselves. Mm-hmm. And I think that's the same thing that we get when veterans come together, is we become stronger together than when we're by ourselves. That's the synergism. We're no longer 1 + 1 = 2, it equals 3. And 1 + 1 + 1 no longer equals 3, it equals 7. Because we're combining our we're collaborating, we're being creative together, we're helping each other overcome obstacles together. Like, there's so much support in the systems that we've established as friends, as cohorts, as collaborators, that just propels our businesses to the next level.
And so, folks, we have 3 veteran entrepreneurs here, myself and 2 others. And he said we're stronger together, and I believe we are. And so thank you for supporting this event. There's more to follow. I think we're going to need a bigger place. So thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much for
the
time.
Thank you.